Seagulls, San Diego, California. As my finger covers the lens, we say a single landing. Seagulls are everywhere, all over beaches and at your local Costco. They fly around the country looking for food, moving to hotter places such as the beach. This one is running away from me as I walk closer to it. This one is also running away from me as I get too close. You will see that seagulls run away when you get close to them. People use that to their advantage to push them away from their belongings. This one has found a receipt. He's flying away with it, thinking it's food. This one has found a bag by somebody who's swimming in the water. I chase him off because I don't want his person's food to be taken. This other seagull finds the same food, but doesn't seem to care. He's in a group with his friends looking for food. He doesn't mind either. He's probably full. This one is also probably full. He doesn't seem to mind either. But this one found something on the towel. Leftover chips, maybe? But then he finds the bag. Seagulls are known to chase each other off for the other's food. This guy is looking for food inside this bag. Another seagull, his fellow brother, is looking at him take the food. He's trying to get the stuff out of the bag. I didn't know if there was stuff in the bag or not. I never checked. Still going at the bag, but then walking away, giving up. Then the other seagull, searching the towel, is going for it. May have found something inside. But then his brother that was just working on it finds out that he found something in it. He's now eating that after scaring off his friend. He finds out that he's run out of the crumbs in the back of the bag. They then move on. This one has found some Domino's pizza and other food left in this trash can. This guy standing over here watching as the other one takes the food. He's skeptical of me, but he doesn't know that there is plenty of food in that trash can. Looking down for food, he finds something. Wasn't very good. He then walks along. This one, sitting here, doesn't know what he's doing. Probably full. Looking for other dinner options. His friend cleaning himself. Watch out if you see any of these seagull prints nearby. These two are chilling, probably full, on crumbs. And that one thing of cookies they stole from me. They're skeptical of me, chilling there. We see one eating in a trash can. My camera messed up. I don't know what happened. But he must have found something delicious in there. It must be very good. I don't know what it was. All I saw was this bag. Flies back up, trying to get the bag again after falling off the can. He almost gets it. His friend watching and walking towards to help, but then flies away, giving up on the trash can. His friend also sees the trash can and is headed for it, but he saw something else. This guy soaring along, scanning for food. This little guy, we don't know what he's up to. This guy got really close to me. I didn't walk close to him. He got close to me. He found something like chicken, but didn't like how sandy it was. Found something else. Probably a crumb of a chip or anything else. Then he walks away. This one, exploring around a trash can. My camera has finally fixed itself. Finds something inside. I don't know what it is either. These birds, known as the rats of the sky, wander around the beach, eating the sand, but not the sand, crumbs left by us. This one, searching for food on the ground. This one is looking looking for food. We don't know what he wants. It's probably full or not. But he starts running. Not from me, I'm too far. But then he starts wandering on these towels, searching for food or crumbs on these towels. Then stumbles onto some seaweed, not finding any food. We don't know what he was scared of, but he ran away from the seaweed. You can see here in a few seconds that he runs away, thinking something was after him. And he walks away. Kid running by, another animal to be discovered. See as he walks to the water and flies off. Soaring the skies and gliding. Here he is again with his buds. These are sharing food. I don't know what they're doing here. They're kissing, I don't know. This one is enjoying eating sand pig things. I don't know, whatever you call them. That live in the shoreline of the sand. He quickly runs out to eat one before the water comes in. He then runs away from the water. This has been a great time of learning about seagulls. Thanks for watching. Share this with your friends.